Katrina, Jake, Nick, Peyton, and Emily here with me, and we're at the beach as you can see, and look at all of them, so cute. Katrina's got her heart glasses. I like the beach, but I don't like the pool. Are you planning on going in the ocean?
Maybe, because I do like the ocean.
Okay. And then we got Nick over here. He's got goggles on, and then Jake has his little turtle Visco. He always brings Visco, because I love Visco. I know that. And then Peyton's got these cute heart glasses on, and she forgot to bring her glasses.
I left them in the car.
Yeah, it's okay.
Can we build a sandcastle?
You guys want to build a sandcastle?
Yeah!
Okay, well, I got some sand right here. I already put a lot of water in it, so it's nice and ready to make a sandcastle. And we got this big bucket right here. But first, I just need to unattach this shovel from this bucket because I totally forgot to do that. I quickly went back to the ocean and I got a little bit more water because this sand was already getting kind of dry. And we need nice and wet sand to build the castle. So here you go, guys.
Don't get it on me!
Well, sorry, Katrina. Didn't you say you wanted to go in the ocean anyways?
True.
Yes. Now, come on, here. Everybody start digging.
This is going to take a while to fill up because it's so big.
That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4 of us. So, and Mommy, so that's 5 of us, and we should do it really quick.
Almost there. Finished yet, Mommy?
That's right, it's done.
See, that was really quick. That was fun too. Now what do we have to do?
Now, let's just flatten out the sand, and I need to flip it over, and then we got a sandcastle.
Then can we go swimming?
Yes, you guys can go swimming.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last thing you have to do is tap on the bucket with the shovel so it can stay in place. Who wants to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay, Nick, here you go. Just pat on it a few times so it can stay together.
Okay. Here we go. Pat, 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 pat.
Good job, Nick. Now I think it's perfect. We patted it and it's in a nice area. Let's take it off. Okay, there we go. Oh, it worked. The top is a little bit broken. Yeah, I think the top sand wasn't too wet, but we did it. Good job, guys. The water now? Yeah, 1 second. That turned out great.
Now that we have a sandcastle, can we destroy it?
Destroy it?
Yeah, please.
Okay, fine.
I don't want sand in my hair or face. Katrina. What?
Wait for me. Well, you can still destroy this.
I'll come
too. You're coming, Katrina?
Yeah.
Boys, you guys said you wanted to come, right?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Nick?
Yeah, I'll come.
Okay, and what about you?
Yeah, I want to come too.
Well, I can't take all of you guys at the same time, so how about I take the smaller ones first, Peyton and Emily, and then after that I come and get the big kids, because Mommy, we want you to go in first. Come on, Jake, they're little kids. Let them go first, and then you older kids will get to go after. So you guys can stay in the sand, do whatever you want for a little bit, okay? I won't take that long, maybe 10, 15 minutes, okay?
Okay, hurry, Mommy, because I want to go in the water. The sand is bugging me.
Okay. Come on, guys. We're in the ocean. I got Peyton and Emily right here. I'm sorry if you can't really hear. It's because it's kind of windy. But are you guys having fun?
Yeah, it's so cool. But I accidentally tasted the water and it's salty.
Yeah, Emily. Don't close your mouth when the waves come. You don't want to get water because it's all salty.
Yeah, it's an accidental.
Okay, here. Stay with me. I know how to swim, so it's fine if they go a little far.
Mommy, look at my swimsuit. It has baby sharks on it.
Oh, it's so cute. She loves baby shark.
Yeah, baby shark. Whoa, look at that big wave. These are big waves, Mommy. Whoa! Whoa. Mommy, can I go under the water for a second?
Okay, just don't go too long.
I know. I'm good at swimming. Let's see. See? So easy. And I got no salt water in my mouth this time because I closed my mouth.
Good job, Emily.
This is so pretty. Look at the sky, Mommy. So pretty, right?
It is really we go now? Yeah, but somebody needs to watch them. Well, we can go in the water by ourselves. Yeah. You know what? Fine. I'll go close to the water so I can watch you guys. You guys go in the water by yourself, but I'll be watching you guys. So, and don't go too far in the water, okay?
Okay. All right, Mommy.
Okay, here, take off your sunglasses if you want.
Oh, I got my hair all wet and these waves are so big.
You're overreacting. It's just water.
I know, but it's seawater. It's getting in my mouth and all over my hair.
Well, obviously your hair's gonna get wet, Katrina.
You're right. This is fun. And we have no Mommy or no of those little babies here to watch
Watching us, but yeah, you're right. This is fun.
They're so big. Yeah, I know, right? So
Over
big.
there's like some splashes.
Probably just fish.
Yeah, it's just fish. Why are you worrying? I'm not worrying. I'm just saying there's like some splashes, like something coming over here. What is that blue fin right there?
Probably just a dolphin or something, Jade.
I don't think there would be dolphins here now.
Well, guys, that blue thing is coming closer to us. Ah!
Coming closer. Guys, watch out. I think that's a shark. Back already?
Yeah, Mommy, there was a shark in the water.
A shark? How far did you go?
We didn't go that far, and there was a big shark, and it was chasing us.
It had a big fin and it was blue and it was chasing us. Guys, there's no shark. It was probably just like some fake thing.
We saw it, Mommy. It was chasing us.
Guys, come on. It's getting late. We gotta go now anyways. But did you guys have fun?
Kind of, until there was a shark chasing us.
There was no shark. Come on, guys.
We're telling the truth.
Come on, guys. It is the next day, and I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe, and check out my new videos on Baby Live Official. Both of them will be linked in the description and down below, so please go check them out if you haven't already. And yeah, follow my Instagram if you're not already as well. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye!